5 brutal na katotohanan na binigay ng taong 2025 na kung maiintindihan mo yung 5 bagay na ito, you will be able to position yourself to become more confident, maging valuable, at magiging focus sa sarili mo for you to be able to reach yung mga bago mong goals ngayong 2026. Ang pinakauna, natutunan ko din, no, na it's okay to make mistakes. Yung natutunan mo doon sa pagkakamali na yun is magiging asset yun for you to become more knowledgeable, matututo ka at mas lalo kang gagaling sa trabaho mo, and also makikilala mo yung sarili mo, no? So yung pangalawa, fear stops you from reaching your goals. And I learned this in a very, very hard way. At kung katulad kita na natatakot sa pwedeng sabihin ng mga ibang tao, you are allowing other people to put you in a box and limit you from doing the things that would bring you closer to your goals. Naging realization ko din na people are doing their own thing. People are preoccupied with their own lives, with their own challenges. Madami ding mga problema yung mga taong nasa paligid mo. Iniisip ko, nakikita nila, ako yung palagi nilang nakikita nila yung ginagawa ko. But no, in reality is, wala silang pakialam sa'yo. They are more concerned sa mga buhay-buhay po nila. So if you think na, if ikaw yung tao na palaging nagwo-worry kung ano yung mga sasabihin ng mga ibang tao sa'yo, hindi mo maaabot yung mga pangarap mo. Hindi mo maaabot yung mga goals mo. Ang pang-apat naman ay ang focusing yourself is not selfishness. It is the only way to transform yourself from good to better. Kapag nag-focus ka sa sarili mo, kasi doon mo makikilala yung sarili mo eh. And for all the successful people, no, yung mga naging successful sa kanilang mga larangan is they have this unique and common denominator, which is self-awareness. At kapag nag-focus ka sa sarili mo, madidevelop mo yung self-awareness, which is the foundation of your success. Ayan, pang-5 ay ang being nice to everyone doesn't mean they will be nice to you also. Hindi mo makokontrol ang mga ibang tao. Iba-iba tayo ng pag-uugali, iba-iba tayo ng background, iba-iba tayo ng mga challenges and struggles. And if you say na you will be nice to other people kasi you are being just nice, be careful. Kasi do not expect na they will not betray you, they will not hurt you, they will not do something na makakasira sa'yo. Let's be nice, but not too nice to everybody else. We have to put our boundaries in place kasi yung pagiging too nice to everybody, it's allowing them to do whatever they want to you. They can cross across yung boundaries mo. Kahit ayaw mo yun kasi they know, pinakilala mo yung sarili mo na you are nice since yun yung pinapakita mo. And so, they will test you on your being nice person. Hindi ko sinasabi na ganyan yung tao, but people are designed na they will test you on something. If they say na, if they will see you as being nice, if they will treat you on the way that they want to treat you, not on your own standards or not on your own terms. And if you want something like this topic, please follow me and subscribe on my channel so that you will have more learnings to come in the near future.